Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Tarron Innovative World, the home of creativity and exploit. If today is the first time you've seen my channel, do well by subscribing. All right, click on the subscribe button and don't forget also click on the like button. All right, so in today's video I will be showing you how to make another beautiful souvenir bag. Yes, wedding souvenir bag. So and then I'm going to call it let's make 100 bags together. Okay, so this is what I'm working on. Okay, 100. You can see that the client has brought his flex. This is what we call flex, his pictures. Okay, so and these are 100. So this is what we're going to be doing together. Okay, so let's see, and I'm going to give you the tips on how to quickly finish your work on time and not delay your customer. Okay, so we're going to be making this together. So but before we continue, let me tell you something. If you are a bag maker, one thing you should know, please don't always get angry with printers. When I mean printers, there are people that will come, printers. Okay, so this work is actually for a printer. Okay, so he brought this to me. Now do you know that he gave me this work since January. Okay, and the wedding is supposed to be for February. That's this week February. So he brought this, yeah, I think 2 days ago, and he wants to collect his work in the next 2 days. So do you understand? So you don't need to get angry with them. And I've been calling this guy that give me flex now, let me start this work, give me flex, let me start this work. But he was telling me I'll come today, I'll come tomorrow, since early January, only for him to bring the flex 2 days ago, and they are using the work this week. So do you understand? So learn how to work, meet up with deadline. So I think let me not bug you too much with a lot of talks. So let's just go together and see how we're going to make this bag within a day. So 100 of this. So and this is the material I'll be using. Okay, so I'm using this tapeter material. Okay, all right, and the measurement of the bag is 11 inches by 11.5 inches. Okay, so the width is 11 inches while the length is 11.5 inches. But remember that you need to I'm making the measurement of this bag is based on my agreement with the customer, based on the size that he wanted me to make for him, right? So let's get into the deal together. And then for the handle, okay, we're using the same color. So this is maroon. Okay, maroon belt, maroon everything. Okay, so and then the measurement of the handle is 30. This is 34 inches. Okay, so I'll cut it into 2. 34 divided by 2 will give me 17 inches each. Okay, but if you want it to, you can still make use of 16 inches, or it depends on you. Okay, so this is 3 inches, so leave 3 here and 3 here. It's not actually up to 3, it's 2.6. Okay, 2.6 inches, but you can make it 2.5. Okay. Or you can even make it so this side should also be the same, 2.6. okay. All right, so this is how to be able to make to meet up with deadline. Don't be doing it one after the don't do it finish you want to do it one after what do I mean? For you want to complete one bag, then you now move to the next one. No. If you want to be able to, if you want to meet up with your work, you don't do it one after the other. You make sure that you fix your handle at a stretch. Do you understand? Once you fix the handle at a stretch, the next thing to do is fix your what is it called, your banner, your flex, your picture, or whatever you call it in your location. So you fix it. So but the first thing I'm going to do is I'll fix my handle on all the 100 bags. Do you understand? So and then once we're done with that, we move to fixing the flex, fixing the flex banner or flex picture. Okay, All right, so another thing is make sure you cut all the handle. Okay, cut it, like let everything be in order. Cut the handle, like you can see the handles here. So you make sure you have cut everything, so that as you're going, you don't need to stop and do anything. Okay, so you just concentrate on your work. All right, so now after you are done with fixing the handle, the next thing is you top stitch it the second time. Okay, so you run like this is what I mean. You top stitch it the second time, and then the next thing is you start fixing your pictures. All right, so the next thing I'll do is to start fixing my handle. Okay, I mean to say pictures. Okay, so make sure you trim, like make sure the two sides are equal. Okay, if there's any excess, you trim it off. You trim it off this way. All right, so for those of you that have been wondering, that have been asking me if I organize a personal training, the answer is yes. I organize. I have a Telegram class. Okay, for those that would like me to coach them, that would like to go into bag making business. Okay, so there I have a lot of videos that will help you to become a bag maker, a profitable bag maker. We have fashion bags there, a lot of bags, school bags, lunch bags, the ones that are not on YouTube. Okay, so if you like to be a part of my class, you can WhatsApp me on 080-365-88365. if you are outside Nigeria, +234-80-365-88365. All right, so the next thing is to fix my picture. Now, in fixing your picture, make sure that you centralize it. Okay, see what I'm going to do. This is 3. This side must So after neatly fixing your picture, the next thing is to join the bags together using your side. Okay, and then the side is 4 by 36.5 inches. That's 36.5 inches. You fold some inside, and then so when you get to this point, lift it up and alright, so it seems it's a bit, so you can make it 36 inches. Okay, so when you get to this extreme end, okay, you make sure that your needle is pressing the last point, so that you'll be able to move it. Okay, you move it any direction, to the direction that you like it to be. So when you also get to this point, okay, lift it up and do the same thing. Okay, So I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Alright, so you can see that within some minutes we're done with one. So this is what you continue to do until we're able to get to the last 100. Okay. Alright guys, drop your comments if you have anything to say, and please let your comment be positive, so see what we have. Alright, so see you in my next video. Bye bye for now. Yeah.